So today, got a new part to install on the Gen 8. Just came in today. New sliders from Reef RC. Comes with some stickers, pretty cool stickers. So we're gonna get this installed and see how it looks. Reef just came out with these for the Gen 8. They also worked with Redcat on the new Gen 8 Axe Edition, which has a Reef 422 HD V2 servo on the new Redcat Gen 8 Axe Edition. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. It's a really good truck with some great electronics ready to run out of the factory. So I'm gonna give these a shot, get them on, and see how they look. Stay tuned, guys.
Hey guys, there you go. Get them opened up here. These are supposed to bolt right on in place of the stock ones. So here we go. Nice bevel, looks like powder coat on them. So more or less they're going to go just like that. Let's see here. You might notice here on mine I have still the stock ones, and I had spaced mine out with these little spacers that I had to raise the stock sliders up to give just a little bit more clearance, and it also helps tuck the body. So my intent is to still use those spacers with the new sliders. So that's one of the spacers I was talking about. So if we compare, they're basically the same length, just solid construction. And let's see here. And just like the stock ones, the holes there are slotted, which allows you the ability to adjust them in or out to your liking, which can help tuck the body. And as you see here, pretty simple to install. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll show you with the body all mounted. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so there you have it, they're installed. They don't curl up as much as the stock ones do, so I guess the whole tuck in the body, I don't know if it really does that, but they are nicely made, seem strong. So we'll do a little run on the backyard course with them, give them a shot. And this coming Sunday I have another comp, and so the rig getting a real test that day. So you'll probably see some footage of it next couple of weeks off of that. So let's give it a run. Alright guys, so there you have it. New sliders from Reef. There'll be the part number and link down below to check it out. Hope you like them. I'll give them a shot. We'll see how they do on the comp this coming Sunday that I have. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.